In this video, I will be telling you how to get your voice chat enabled in the Roblox. For that, make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So first thing first is that make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe to it and like the video and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. I will be providing the Roblox link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So let's dive right into the video. So in order to enable the voice chat, what you have to do is to verify your ID using your mobile phone. So what you have to do is to go to the more option, and in the more option go to the setting. In the setting, what you have to do is to go to the account information. So once you're in the account information, what you have to do is to go to the verify my age underneath the personal information tab. So just go ahead and click on it. So here you will see that what you have to do is to get a driving license. If you don't have it, use your passport, or if you don't have that, use your ID card, and if you don't have that, use your residence permit. So you can verify your ID using these 4 steps. Then if you have one of these things, get them prepared for a photo. Use a smartphone and scan this code, which is right over here, and then your camera will be opened up. All you have to do is to scan this document, and then your ID will be verified. So it can take up to 24 hours to get your ID verified, so be patient about it. So that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.